all the stakeholders, the users, the manufacturers, the stakeholders in terms of infrastructure, the people who are investing the money in world-class warehousing, all of them need to align, work together, and it's an arduous journey. Today, warehousing is still considered as a commercial activity, right? When we talk about logistics infrastructure, manufacturing companies want world-class logistics parks and warehousing to come. So they need to be embedded with industry, because that's where the manufacturing is happening, and that's where we are supposed to be providing the service both on the inbound supply chain and the outbound supply chain. Now, unfortunately, if you go to any industrial park, first of all, you cannot go and set up a warehouse there, right? So because they say warehousing is a commercial activity and this is an industrial unit, and it requires, or it's only meant for manufacturing units. So there's a complete mismatch. Now government is thinking of multimodal parks and logistics park where coexistence will happen in warehousing as well as manufacturers, both users of the services and providers of the service and all of that. But we actually need to move very, very fast now. These are simple things, I think we have all been to places like Singapore and Hong Kong where they have very tiny landmass, but they have built vertical warehouses. They have provided, freight elevators. They have provided ramps that go up to floor 10. And here we are, struggling with the basic things. That has to change if we really want to be part of the supply chain wave and the global manufacturing wave that in the China Plus One policy, which we are hoping to participate in. So while Sagarmala and all these various other projects, they are pretty long projects. They require 20-25 years. And yes, it's a great thing that government is seized of this, but we really need to move super fast. That is one. Secondly, every stakeholder in the supply chain, whether it's the user, the provider, or the infrastructure companies, they need to come together on a common platform, right? So that we are having aligned goals. The objectives are clear. Yes, obviously, everybody is in the business of doing business, right? And you want to be profitable as an enterprise. But we must have aligned goals, right? And we all have roles to play in that. Now, what I may say is that it's very easy to say, I need a green building, a world-class warehouse, but when you approach some of the companies, they are comparing the pricing with some, not even B or C grade warehouse, which is, at a price which it's not sustainable. You cannot go and build a real world-class warehouse and then expect that, I'll be able to offer it at a price which is actually rock bottom and fit for a C grade warehouse. So all the stakeholders, the users, the manufacturers, the stakeholders in terms of infrastructure, the people who are investing the money in world-class warehousing, all of them need to align, work together, and it's an arduous journey.